Hey y'all, so I'm driving around up here in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Georgia. It is absolutely beautiful up here and I've got a great day to do it. But I am going up here to pick up a gently used industrial sewing machine at a ridiculous price. And so if you want to go on this adventure with me, stick around. Look at this road I'm traveling on. I don't know if you can see the mountains off in the distance, but this is absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of motorcycles up here, groups of motorcycles touring around through the mountains. It's just a great day. I think there's a scenic overlook up here somewhere. I'm gonna pull over and get some little video from that. So I look at Facebook Marketplace a lot, and if you look frequently, you can find some really good deals on some sewing machines, all the way back to the early Singers, the Whites, the Kenmores, all those good ones that people like to get. I got to be careful talking to you. I got to watch my speed because I don't have cruise control, and bless their hearts, Georgia State Highway Patrol doesn't play around. But so I've got to keep it under the limit and in between the lines. But yeah, so if you've been watching my channel, you know that I like to feature my J.D. Bow industrial sewing machine. It's a copy of the Juki 8700, and it's actually called the J.D. Bow 8700, and it is a great machine. I really enjoy it, when I found this one listed on Marketplace, it was marked as just listed. She had done it like 20 minutes ago, and I contacted her and talked to her about it, and she agreed to put it as pending because it was going to be a few days till I could get over here to look at it. But I'm really excited. Just wait till you see what I'm getting. It's a great machine. I know this machine, and it's another clone. I'm going to tell you that much. But it is a clone of a very good machine, and again, I'm getting it at a ridiculous price. Now, my J.D. Bow machine that I got, I bought that. God, look at those mountains. Holy cow. But, sorry. That J.D. Bow machine I got on Marketplace. I got the full thing, the table, the motor. It had already been updated to the servo motor, and I got it for 200 bucks. This one that I'm going to look at is a little bit better machine, and it's just a little bit higher than 200, but not much. But stick around. We're going to be there shortly, and everything will be revealed. Okay, everybody, this is a scenic overlook that I stopped at. This is the Blue Ridge Mountains, and I'm going to try to zoom in. My house is just on the other side of that far mountain over there, so I got quite a ways to go, but the scenery is going to be great. And you see how they're kind of blue? That's kind of why they're named the Blue Ridge Mountains. But this view really on the camera doesn't doesn't do it justice. Well, I guess it's time for me to show you a little bit of what I got. So that was the motor off of it. That's one of those big old giant clutch motors. God, that thing's heavy. And that will be replaced with a 750 watt 1 horsepower motor kit. I've already got it. It's in the box. I just have to install it. And then on the back of my trailer, this is the legs. As you can see, it's needs a little wire brushing and some paint. There you go. There's the top. Let me go around here to the other side. And there's the treadle, and it's got a little chip missing right here. I don't really care about that. There's the little thing. It does have a drawer. This is the bobbin winder, and so can you tell what it is yet? I'm going to show you in just a minute. Well, this is what I got, the Yamaha GC 8500. It's a direct clone of the Juki 8500, DDL 8500. It's in pretty good shape, just needs some cleaning up. But it works flawlessly. I really like the way this machine works. These things, these Yamahas, you know, they sell for a lot of money. But to find out what I paid for it, stick around.
Had to stop for some barbecue. But so yeah, I got the Yamaha GC 8500, which is basically, I mean, it's a really good clone of the Juki 8500. It's a fine machine, and I drove about 2 hours to pick it up. Got it on Facebook Marketplace, and guess what? I only paid $200 for it. Yeah. So I already have a 750 watt servo motor that I'm going to put on it. I've already got it, and I'm going to put a needle position sensor on it. And I might get that little tiny speed reducing pulley for it. I don't know. But the first thing I'm going to have to do is take the legs, go in my shop, get the wire wheel after it, get some of that rust off and paint it. And then I'll start putting it back together. So check your Facebook Marketplace. I've got mine to alert me anytime a sewing machine goes up for sale, and that's how I caught this one. She had put it on. It was on for 7 minutes, and I called her. I was the first one to call after it was only listed for 7 minutes, and I'm sorry, these ribs are so good. But So Facebook Marketplace is a great place to find some really good used sewing machines, and a lot of them, I'm going to tell you, are from sewing machine repair guys that have bought the machines from Facebook Marketplace, and they've already serviced them. They're ready to go, and you can get some sweet deals. I don't know what this would have cost if I had bought it from a repair guy from Marketplace. I bought it from literally a little old lady. She said that she's been in working in the sewing factory for all her life, and she just recently got a cancer diagnosis. I wish her the best, but she was trying to get rid of all of her machines. She had a lot of machines that she was getting rid of. So, you know, it is what it is, and it was my lucky day. But yeah, so check your Facebook Marketplace. Get it to alert you when there's a sewing machine that goes up for sale, and don't be scared to go drive it and get it. I had a great drive. It was up in the mountains, beautiful day, and nice way to spend a good Saturday afternoon. But hey, stay tuned, because I'm going to put that servo motor on, and I'm going to do the needle position sensor, and I might do a couple other little things to it just to make it my own, and you're not going to want to miss those too. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a great weekend.